All right, so we just got this in the mail, and it is by Holy Stone, HS440, and yeah, got an HD camera and it flies around in circles. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what we got. Bam. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. It comes with its own little carrying case. Wow, that's cool. Could have packaged it without this junk, right? All right, so here it is. I'm thinking that it goes this way because this is the top. It's got the name on it here. So let's go ahead and unzip it. See what we get in this bad boy. Here we go. You ready? Oh, tricked us, huh? There it is. There's the drone. Wow, it looks nice. And it comes with this. I'm going to leave that on there. But wow, look at this drone. Holy crap, man. Look at that. Wow, it's definitely good size, right? Okay. Check it out. All right, let's go ahead and put her back in there for right now. I think this is the controller over here, right? And if you look, it's got this diagram that tells you what everything on it is. So you definitely want to hang on to that, right? And let's see what we got over here. I think it's probably all the documentation, right? And there's a bunch of stuff in here. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Look, we do have, it looks like the charger and some extra parts, screwdriver. It's got a couple propellers in there. Set that down here. This is caution of battery. Okay. Caution, do not charge in the carrying case. Do not charge a battery near fire. All right, so we know that. Okay, it's the same information on there. Apparently, they're just very careful about the battery. Let's go ahead and open this up. Get all this stuff out. Yeah, this doesn't want to come out of here. So we're just going to do that. All right. Cautions of battery. So this has got a whole bunch of, here it is. All right, you guys can screenshot this or pause to read. I don't know about that part. All right, so let's hang on to that. We got to read that. And this is the booklet on it right here. So this has got all the info. And this is going to be, this is a learning curve. We got to figure out how to use it. So we're going to come back to this and we're going to show you how to set this whole thing up. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the box. You have your drone, you have your controller here, and here's the drone. And the drone comes with a battery, and the battery's here. And it has a safety device on it to keep it from actuating or connecting with the contacts. And so let's set that there for now. This is your controller. It gives you a schematic. If you turn it around, it gives you more information. It's got some QR codes on it. All right, it does not come with batteries. You have to put the batteries in. Set that there. This is the case that it comes with. You get 2 extra propellers that, in case you break 2. I don't know why they don't give you 4, because they have, we'll set those down. You get a Phillips head screwdriver, and this is the charger here. And this goes into the battery, and this goes into a charging block. And that's basically everything that comes in the box. Let me pull the battery out. All right, so you have to charge this battery. You have to pull this off, to plug it in. But you can keep that as a way to save it. If you look here, you're going to see the contacts on the battery. And if you look on here, you'll see that there are contacts on here. So this slips into the battery right here, just like that. And then you've got to plug it into your power bank. Let's unplug it for right now. And we'll set that over here. All right, so the drone itself, you slide the, maybe you do your bottom ones first, right? And you got to get these out of the way so that you can pull this one open here. Same thing here, so bottom one out first. Get these out of the way, and then you can pull this one open. And bam, you got to make sure that they're all the way out. And there's your drone. There's the camera on the drone. And this camera will move up and down. It has a little system on here where you can change the attitude of the camera by moving this. All right, so that's everything that's in the box. It comes with this really nice carrying case. It's hard, so it protects your drone when you put it away. So that's pretty cool. Now all we got to do is figure out how to use it. You do get an instruction book, and it's got a lot of cautions about the battery. Apparently, they don't want you to burn your house down. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on this drone. Peace out.